Father's Day to all the fathers around the world, and to those who still have no idea of what you're going to present to your father. Why not cook for him? And I believe that this video will be a great help because today I am going to cook a not typical pika-pika, which is cheese stick. As I said, it is not typical because I am not going to use any molo wrapper or lumpia wrapper. Instead, I'm going to use a skyflakes. So I'm going to crack the skyflakes, and that would be our breadcrumbs. So the ingredients are very cheap and it is very budget friendly. So the ingredients are skyflakes, then cheese, eggs, and oil. So we only have 4 ingredients, and I believe you can do it yourself. So let's start cooking.
Here are our ingredients. We have cheese, skyflakes, eggs, and of course we have oil.